Can you sit up again? Yeah. Because you were fighting to sit up a second ago, so Mommy propped you up. You had it for a second. Can you sit back up? Huh? Can you sit back up? All right. Come on. Sit up. Sit up all by yourself. There. There you go. You're working on it. Yeah. What do you see, little sugars? What do you see? Come on. Lean this way a little bit. Lean this way. What?